Tynan walks the blue line and goes down for Stewart. Drew Stewart, Lawrence, one-timer, he scored! The first one on it, leaves off for Lawrence. Up top to Vukas, fires a shot, he scored! To go in the second period, taken away by Jake Stewart, far side Lawrence. Back to Stewart, fired on, he scores! Back to the offensive end, but only momentarily, kept in by Stewart. Now out for Lawrence, works towards the goal, backdoor, they score!
Saints looking to bounce back after the loss a night ago. When Orange are up top, deflected rebound, and Lawrence takes it there. Russell across ice, tipped it but not out, and it's a 2-on-1. Sanderson into the zone, shot, short side, save, rebound, blocked. Merrill has to rush back with Sanderson right on him. His pass to the wall, blocked. Lawrence in the slot, he scored. Muskegon bench, and with 5 seconds left, the Jacks move forward. Lawrence shoots into the empty net.
Josephson Westling. Sanderson lost his stick. Here's Lawrence, far side, backhands and scores!
Gets there to save icing. He picks the puck up right circle, back pedals, now shoots for the empty net and scores. Corner at Lashaw's right. Orange dug it out, back to the line. Now fed in front, an open side. Lawrence scores.
Američané vypíchli Ducha přítomně, ale udržel pásmo obránce Lin. A je to gól, který dává přece jenom.
Draft eligible prospects for next year's draft. There's a quick shot there from Lawrence. Rebound, score!